Hey guys, this is my EDC, and that stands for everyday carry. It's basically everything I usually carry on a daily basis. And I like to carry a few little like tools and definitely a flashlight because I'm a mechanic for my profession and I use a lot of this stuff every day. Got a pretty cool wallet right here, and I actually have a small lock picking set just in case, because you never know. And get some Burt's Bees chapstick. Always gotta have chapstick. And I kind of like this. It's just a razor blade. It's got a Phillips and a flathead. Just super nice for opening boxes and stuff at work. And the blade is super easy to swap out. You got my car keys with a carabiner and a bottle opener. This is definitely my favorite multi-tool right here. Super neat. Maybe I'll make a different video on that. And of course I got a flashlight. Super bright. Carries an 18650 battery and it's rechargeable. The battery lasts forever between charges and it's definitely gotten a lot of use. I also have this Garmin Instinct watch. Absolutely love this thing. It's the smartwatch for people who don't want to look like they have a smartwatch. Super cool. It's got notifications and weather and a whole bunch of stuff like that. And the main reason I got it was for the GPS. And of course I have my phone and I'm filming with that right now. It's definitely nice to carry, a few little things that you would actually use on a daily basis, but you don't want to take up a lot of room or else you're not gonna carry it with you every day. This company called Wuben sent me a couple EDC items to try out. This is the G2 Keychain Light and the G3. We'll start with the Keychain Light. It's got 500 lumens. That is pretty cool for a tiny little keychain light. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up. Here is the light itself. The main body is made with aluminum, but the side pieces are plastic. It also does come in a couple different colors. It's got a nicely sized reflector on there. Almost the size of a 18650 style flashlight. It is USB-C rechargeable, and it's just got a little rubber flap that covers the charging port. The light will be red while charging, and then it turns blue when it's fully charged. The bottom part is for the keychain. We can just throw this on my carabiner. It'll swivel around, and you can remove it super easily by just twisting it, and it comes off. And this part is actually magnetic, which is super handy. And it just twists back on like that. The only downside I see to this is that it's, just made with plastic, so it's kind of unclear how long it'll last before it wears out. It's just got this little plastic tab right there and there that kind of locks it into place. It would have been nice if they made this part with aluminum instead. It might have had to have designed it a little bit different, but that is one gripe that I have. The pocket clip is also made with plastic and it just clips on like that. Another complaint I have is with this clip, and it's not super strong. It's just made of plastic. So if you clip it to the inside of your pocket, if you try to reach in your pocket and grab something else, this will just come off your pocket pretty easily. I wish they would have made the clip with some kind of metal and made it a lot stronger, but I just wish they would have made the whole thing like aluminum. You could also clip it onto your shirt or on the outside of your pocket. However, if you put this on a hat, it wouldn't work as well. I wish they would have maybe even done something a little different with this clip, like maybe make it into like a stand or something so you could use it as like a little mini work light, but it is what it is. The power button is right next to the charging port, and to turn it on you have to hold it down. Pushing it once won't turn it on, and I kind of like that because it's less likely to turn on in your pocket that way. To cycle through all the brightnesses, you just push and hold it down again and it'll just keep cycling through until you find the one you want. And to turn it off, you just press it once. And it should remember which brightness you were on. So if we go to the low, turn it off, turn it back on, and it remembers. That's pretty cool. If we turn it back on, this is the lowest setting, which is moonlight mode, and that is 1 lumen and is rated for 70 hours. The next setting is low, and that is 15 lumens, rated for 6 hours, which is quite a bit. The next one is medium, which is 65 lumens and should last for 1.5 hours. And then the one after that is high, and that is 200 lumens for 35 minutes. And whether it's on or off, a double click will get you to turbo mode, which is the 500 lumens. And with a camera in manual exposure, this is what the light on my iPhone looks like. And this is turbo mode on the G2. On a fully charged battery, I timed how long it'll last, and it went over 35 minutes, so their rating system is definitely accurate. When you power on the light, you get an LED indicator for 5 seconds, and then it turns off, and this just kind of gives you an idea where the battery charge is. A solid blue is greater than 90%. Blinking blue is 40 to 90%. Red is 15 to 40%. And then when it blinks red all of the time, it's 0 to 15%. So all in all, this is a neat little keychain light, and 500 lumens is pretty cool for how small this thing is. I have used this at work for a few days. The battery lasts nowhere near something like this with an 18650. But I mean, look at the size difference. So far, I haven't really had it turn on in my pocket. I mean, it is possible. I do like how the button is flush with the body, so it's less likely to power on. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out the G3. So check these out. This one is stainless steel, and this one is aluminum. You can definitely tell this one is a little bit heavier, but it's not a huge difference. And it comes with a single lanyard that I will probably never use. So what are these things exactly? This end is held on magnetically, and it's actually a little knife, mainly for opening boxes. So yeah, it's definitely not like sharp like a regular knife or razor blade, but it does great for opening tape on a box. I'm not actually sure what material this is. I believe the aluminum and the stainless steel refers to these caps. And you can actually see the magnet that's kind of probably glued in there. If this thing was made with tungsten carbide, that would be the coolest thing ever, because that stuff is super, super strong. But I kind of doubt that it is. The other side is a cap as well, and it unscrews instead. And we have a small little pen. It's got a protective little cap on there we can pull off. Let's go ahead and try it out. Not a whole lot to hold on to here, but it's kind of cool. Definitely works. No problem there. You can unscrew this cap and change out the cartridge. Definitely doesn't hold a whole lot of ink, but it is pretty cool that they included a whole bunch of them with the kit. And also, my complaint with the pen last time is that at the time of making that video, they didn't have any extra refills that you could buy, but now they do. You can buy like a whole box of them for like $9, so that's definitely nice. But that is super cool. Almost James Bond-like. To show you how small it is, this is a calcium pill. It's a pretty good size. They definitely have pills that are larger than this, but look at that. It's a little bit longer than the pill, but it's like a similar diameter. That's definitely a handy little tool for sure. If you do a lot of geocaching stuff and you want to have something to sign the log with, it's perfect for that. Possible downside I could think of is this cap potentially coming off. I kind of doubt it because it kind of holds it on there fairly strong. But if that came off in your pocket, it could, like, you know, stab your leg potentially, but probably pretty unlikely. But anyways, guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have this light on my keychain or not. I do really like it. For my line of work, I definitely like these 18650 rechargeable flashlights because this one, you know, will last like a day or two at work before I have to recharge it. This one will like last a week or two with how much I use it. So I really like these, and Wuben does sell this style of flashlight as well. And I think they have buttons on the back, which some people might like a lot better than, you know, something like this Sofern flashlight. I'm probably gonna throw this in my Maxpedition bag. I have this nice little compartment with a bunch of useful stuff that could come in handy for emergency situations, and this will be a nice little backup light. As for one of these G3 pen and knives, I'm gonna probably throw that on my keychain for a while and give it a good test, just because it like really doesn't take up any extra room at all in your pocket. So already today I did have this cap come off when I was pulling the keys out of my pocket, so just keep that in mind. Fortunately I didn't lose the cap, and these pockets are pretty tight because I have a multi-tool, so it probably just got hung up on something, pulled it off. But anyways, guys, I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to let me know what you carry in your EDC down in the comments below. But anyways, guys, I will catch you next time. Peace out.